Welcome. Have you ever noticed how a chaotic environment directly translates into mental fog? Today, we will explore the profound connection between physical cleaning, cognitive clarity, and a positive mindset. From a psychological perspective, visual clutter significantly increases our cognitive load. It demands our attention, drains our energy, and elevates stress hormones, making it difficult to maintain focus and positivity. Cleaning is not merely a chore, it is an ethical practice. By organizing our shaped space, we demonstrate respect for others, foster collaborative community, and acknowledge our responsibility to our environment. In the corporate world, this concept is formalized through the 5S methodology. Originally developed in Japan, this framework proves that orderliness is the foundation of efficiency, safety, and operational excellence. When we tidy up, we engage in what positive psychologists call an accomplishment loop. Completing small physical tasks release dopamine, boosting our mood and generating momentum for more complex intellectual work. Routine maintenance of our environment anchors us in the present moment. Instead of viewing cleanings as a distraction, we can approach it as an active form of mindfulness, grounding our thoughts. In an era of constant digital notifications and information overload, our, our physical space is one of the few environments we can completely control. Organizing it helps restore our personal equilibrium. A clear space leads to a clear mind, which ultimately fosters better, more ethical decision making. When we aren't bogged down or by chores, we have the cognitive bandwidth to consider the broader impact of our actions. To harness these benefits, implement a daily reset. Just 5 minutes at the end of your day to clear your physical and digital workspace sets a positive, organized foundation for the morning. Thank you for investing your time in your own growth today. For deeper insights, I have prepared a list of resources including my homepage, detailed articles on notes, and published ebooks. All links are in the description below. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe. I look forward to seeing you in the future. Thank you for listening.